Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Janine and my goal is to share the joy of watercolor with you and to show you some hacks to make painting easier. In today's video I will share with you how to mix my 3 favorite grays. Did you ever come across an inspiring tutorial and notice that you have difficulties following it because you don't have all the required colors? It happened to me a few days ago. I do not own Payne's grey watercolor. I decided to mix grey color instead. Not owning the right color can be discouraging, especially if you don't have a lot of experience mixing colors. So I decided to make this video and help you out a little with mixing grays. The basic idea is that when you mix 2 colors from the opposite side of a color wheel, you will end up with some type of grey color. The grey color you mix can be very versatile, ranging from a warm brownish grey to a cold bluish grey. This is why it is so important to test your colors on a scrap piece of paper. Limiting your color palette and mixing your own colors is a fun challenge. When you pre-select your colors, the painting process will be easier and faster. It also helps to create a cohesive painting as you reuse the pre-selected colors. And when choosing colors, always remember, painting with watercolors is not like baking. If you do not have the exact ingredient from your list, you can usually substitute it or change the recipe slightly to meet what you have in your pantry. The first grey I'm mixing is a combination of Dioxazine purple and emerald green. This is my favorite color to use whenever a tutorial suggests to use Payne's grey. I really love this color combination and recently used it to paint a motorcycle with all those little small shiny silver details. Adding a small amount of purple to the green darkened the color just enough for the forest in the background. The second grey I want to present to you is a mix of burnt umber and Prussian blue. The color I create is more greenish. I really like to use this one for landscapes, or for example for shadows on waves or shadows in a winter landscape. The third grey I want to present to you is a mix of burnt umber and ultramarine. This color is super granulating and a perfect choice, for example for an elephant. The boring grey skin will automatically look more interesting due to the clusters of blue. The granulating properties add so much detail to any painting. When you have watched my videos in the past, you know that I love to utilize blooms and all patterns that the watercolor automatically creates. As the cheap watercolor paper dries uneven, the full potential of patterns possible becomes visible. Seeing the 3 grays side by side lets you really see the differences. Look at the grey in the center. Don't those blue clusters on the edges of the blooms look amazing? On camera, the granulating properties of the Prussian blue are really visible. If you look close, you can see the blue clusters from the ultramarine blue as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I picked out some other videos I think you might like. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with the next video.